The 2023 Jeep Wrangler is a compelling choice for a variety of reasons. Renowned for its iconic design and off-road prowess, the Wrangler offers unmatched versatility for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. Its rugged 4x4 capabilities, robust engine options, and removable doors and roof make it an ideal companion for tackling various terrains and weather conditions. Inside, it balances ruggedness with modern comfort and technology, ensuring a comfortable ride both on and off the beaten path. Safety features and advanced technology options are also available, enhancing its appeal as a daily driver. With its rich heritage, durability, and the freedom to explore the great outdoors, the 2023 Jeep Wrangler remains an enduring favorite among those seeking adventure and capability in their vehicle.